Hello, good morning, everyone. So I am Lucia De Stefano. I am Associate Professor at Complutense University here in Madrid, and I am the Deputy Director of the Water Observatory of the Botín Foundation. Welcome and thank you for being here. I will be chairing the introductory section for the workshop today. And just as a technical information, as you see, this workshop is being recorded so that other people will be able to listen to it later. And also we have a speaker that is attending remotely. So please just make sure that whenever you intervene, you use the microphone. So as a start, I would like to give the floor to Alberto Garrido, who is professor of Universidad Politécnica here in Madrid as well, and is director of the Water Observatory of the Botín Foundation.
Good morning. Welcome. Alberto Garrido here. I'm a professor at Technical University of Madrid and director of the Water Observatory of the Botín Foundation. And also, I have to say, I'm a very proud member of the advisory committee of the Rosenberg International Water Forum since its beginning in 1996. I have to excuse the general manager of the foundation who could not be with us this morning. The foundation has a lot of operations in Santander, which is a city in the north of Spain, so he had to be there today. On behalf of the Board of Trustees of the Botín Foundation, Lucia and I extend a warm welcome to all of you. The Water Observatory is an interdisciplinary think tank promoted by the Botín Foundation and is dedicated to addressing the present challenges of water resource management both in Spain and globally. Our mission is to contribute to the ongoing and emerging debates on this vital topic while striving to enhance and shape water-related policies. In our daily endeavors, the Water Observatory aims to generate policy-relevant scientific findings, serve as a hub for meaningful debate on water management issues, exactly what we're doing today, this morning, transfer new knowledge to society and water managers, particularly in the areas of water governance and the sustainable use of water resources. And last but not least, carry out outreach activities about the importance of sustainable water resources with a special focus on the new generations. The Water Observatory was officially established in 2008, but the work of the Foundation on Water began in 1998 with the first studies and projects on water by the Botín Foundation under the pioneering direction of a late Professor Ramón Llamas Madurga. In 2022, UC Agricultural Natural Resources, the California Institute of Water Resources, and the Rosenberg International Forum on Water Policy formalized a relationship with the Botín Foundations to strengthen economic ties and delineate areas for collaboration on specific projects. Today marks our third workshop co-organized with the Rosenberg International Forum on Water Policy here in this foundation, in this very same venue. In 2015, we explored the impacts and policies related to drought in Spain and California. In 2019, we'll delve into the complexities of water rights and the role in addressing climate change impacts, comparing approaches in California and in Spain. And today, our focus is on the next generation of urban wastewater treatment, examining policy approaches from the US, Chile, and Spain. In the European Union, we face the challenge of implementing a new, very ambitious directive, what we call laws in the European Union, directive regulating urban wastewater treatment, and the experience gained in other contexts can help us to find innovative ways forward. With this event, we aspire that will enable us to explore and compare policy approaches from the European Union, the US, Chile, in the treatment of urban wastewater, and to seek opportunities for cross-learning and inspiration for innovative practices. Of course, we are very grateful to Dr. Glenda Hamston, University of California Vice President for Agriculture and Natural Resources, Professor Suru Surusian, Director of the Center for Hydrometeorology and Remote Sensing, and Distinguished Professor of Civil and Environmental Engineering and Earth System Science Departments at the University of California, Irvine, and the Chair of the Rosenberg Forum. Sari Cooper, who's not in the room, but is working in the other room, as the Director of External and Executive Events of UCNR, and all the members of the board for making this happen. Thank you very much for your attention, and I look forward to our productive discussions today. Thank you.
Thank you, Alberto. So now I'd like to give the floor to Glenda Hamston.
Good morning. I'm Glenda Hamston. I'm the Vice President of the Agricultural and Natural Resources Programs for the University of California System. In that role, we oversee and coordinate a wide array of programs, research, education, extension, and outreach designed to help our communities deal with the many challenges they face related to agriculture and natural resources. I'm really thrilled to be here, but it's worth noting that a lot of the reason we are here today is due to the leadership and the foresight of the individual that founded this program, Richard Rosenberg, who at the time was the retiring chairman of the board and CEO of the Bank of America. He saw, after many years of work in California on the really challenging water issues we frequently have in California, the need to create a forum where a wide array of policymakers, scientists, and interested individuals could come together in the spirit of exchanging information, supporting research, and exploring options and new ideas on how to better manage our water resources. Thanks to his foresight, he enabled Bank of America to gift us with an endowment that helps fund this. And thanks to that endowment, we have now hosted 11 international forums in 10 different countries over the past few decades. And we're about to host our 11th country and 12th forum in Vietnam later this year, which we are very much looking forward to, which will be exploring the issues and challenges and opportunities of managing in a delta situation, which many, many countries have deltas in them, including California, a rather large one. But overall, the program is really designed, as I said, to facilitate reducing conflicts in water resources and in how we manage those. We've got two major goals, and you're going to see both of those highlighted today. The goal to enhance the role of science in water policy. All too often, policy is informed by emotion more than data, facts, or science. This is an opportunity for scientists and those who believe in science to really explore that and utilize it to help inform good policy. And second, but equally important, is just to promote the exchange of information and interaction between scientists and policymakers from around the world. In these days, as we grapple with ever-changing climatic conditions, extreme weather situations, and all of the challenges that arise from that, it is more important than ever that we work together, that science knows no boundaries, that we really find those solutions that we can develop in partnership and collaboration. So with that, I'm really thrilled to be here today and to help support this ongoing forum in international water policy. Thank you.
Thank you, Glenda. Now I would like to give the floor to Professor Surusian.
Yes, good morning, everyone. And I'm Suru Surusian, as was mentioned, professor at the University of California in Irvine, California, and one of the ninth UCs, 10th. Yes, there are 10. Okay, I must have missed one. UC campuses, and we are relatively young, but not the youngest, 65 years old as a campus. But anyhow, it's been a pleasure for me to be the chair of the Rosenberg Forum after Henry Vaux, who was the first chair. And I always look to his guidance, and it's great to be chair of a board that has already 3 first generation of the board members, Ayman, Alberto, and Ariel. Am I right? I think that's it. So they come way before I even learned about Rosenberg Forum. All that had to be said about the meeting today. Alberto nicely explained it. Glenda gave an excellent review of the formation of the Rosenberg Forum. And we are delighted that these exchanges and partnerships do exist. As Alberto mentioned, this is the 3rd one in the series of meetings jointly between the 2 organizations. It's a smaller meeting, it's more cordial meeting, and it focuses on issues such as the one that we are dealing with today. But our main activity is a biannual meeting that is held globally, selected places, and we have had one in South Africa last year, and in the October timeframe, we will have one in Vietnam dealing with the issues of deltas. And it's all by invitation, and it really brings an excellent group of people, and as it is today. One of the things that we do at this meeting is also have the advisory board to be present. We have meeting to discuss our strategies, and that meeting will be held tomorrow. So with that, I welcome everybody and thank you again for hosting us.
So with this, we finish the welcoming session. And so as you know from the program, we have 2 technical sessions, and each speaker has about 20 minutes to make a presentation. Then we have time for questions and answers. And then at the end, we have some room for further discussion with the audience in the room. So we really hope this will be an interactive workshop, and also the format of how we have configured the room is meant to do that. So just before we start and before I give the floor to Professor Ariel Dinar for the keynote speaker, I would like just to make a very quick round of the table, just to introduce yourself, just state your name, and if you work in any organization, just your affiliation. Maybe we can start from there, if you don't mind. And if you can, if you can use the mic, Alberto is going to give you. Thank you.
CDTI, which is the Spanish Agency of Innovation, belonging to the Ministry of Science, Innovation and Universities. And I am the delegate for the Cluster 6 of Horizon Europe, with entails environment, agriculture, biodiversity, and also for the mission Ocean and Water, also for the Horizon Europe program.
My name is Julio Verbel. I come from Universidad de Córdoba. And the last 5 years I have been working very heavily in the water planning in Andalusia because we have a very long drought. And part of the solution must be the implementation of water treatment plant, tertiary, and the reclamation water use. I'm very interested in the governance, not in the technical aspect, obviously, but in the governance of the water reclamation. That is very important.
Hi, I'm Jacob Harrison. I'm a master's student in environmental geology at the Complutense University, and I've got a keen interest in water management policies. Thanks.
Yeah, hello. I am Gabriel Arbones. I am doing my PhD in the Water Observatory with Alberto and Lucia. They are my directors, and I am focusing my research in water use in Spanish agriculture.
Hi, good morning. I'm Juan Vera. I'm a technical assessor in environmental aspect for the Socialist Party in the Madrid City Council. And as you know, in Madrid is very important, the water treatment, and they need a renewal. So I'm here to learn from all of you.
Good morning. My name is Ayman Rabi. I work for Palestinian Hydrology Group. Palestinian Hydrology Group is a non-government organization in Palestine. I am also a member of the advisory board of Rosenberg.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Carlos Aragon. I'm working at the Ministry for Ecological Transition and the Demographic Challenge, concretely in the department that has been involved in the revision of the Urban Wastewater Treatment Directive. And today I will share with you our concerns about how to implement this challenging urban directive.
Good morning, I'm Guillermo Donoso. I'm a professor at the Water Law and Management Center of the Catholic University of Chile. And I'm also a member of the advisory board of the Rosenberg Forum.
Hi, good morning. This is Mansoor Kadir. I work for United Nations University.
Ariel Dinar. I don't work for anyone anymore. I am an emeritus from the University of California, Riverside, and a board member for the Rosenberg International Water Policy.
Good morning, my name is Alejandra Ardila. I am an environmental engineer and currently I'm studying the Master in Environmental Geology at Universidad Complutense de Madrid. And I'm here just for my interest in urban wastewater treatment, its policies and its new techniques. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Christina Babbitt. I work for Starbucks Coffee Company. I'm a global water advisor and also on the advisory board of the Rosenberg.
Good morning. I'm Andrea Gerlach. I'm a professor at the University of Arizona in the United States, and I work on water governance issues, and I'm also on the Rosenberg Advisory Board.
Morning, my name is Eric Porce. I'm the director of the California Institute for Water Resources within University of California Agricultural and Natural Resources. Also a cooperative extension specialist based in Davis and Sacramento, California, and ex officio member of the board of the Rosenberg Forum.
Good morning, my name is Ignacio Gomez. As Julio Berbel, I come from the University of Córdoba. I'm a PhD student and my research focuses on the sustainable use of reclaimed water for agricultural irrigation, focusing on reclaimed water quality, the impacts on soil, on crops, and yields, and also paying attention to some regulatory context, comparing also different national and international regulations on water use.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Antonio Bolinches. I'm a solution manager at Grundfos, which is a pump manufacturer. We make also equipment for wastewater treatment plants. And I'm also teaching hydraulics at Complutense University. And I'm here in particular to learn about wastewater treatment approach in the US.
Good morning. Happy New Year to everyone. Today is Chinese New Year, Year of the Snake. Okay. Happy New Year to all of you. My name is Xingyong Duan. I'm from Huahai University in Nanjing. I have been a member of the Rosenberg Forum Advisory Committee since 2018. And my specialty is in hydrological modeling and also interested in the impact of climate change on water resources. Right. Thank you. So you, okay.
Hi, my name is Shirin Surusha, and I'm Surusha's wife.